Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello. In this video, we're going to present about our mini project for course BMMP2514 CAD Camp, which is Connecting Road. Before we present, I want to introduce my group members. I'm Zuli Aida Syairah binti Zulkifli. Next, Fadli Arifin bin Muhammad Syabli, Muhammad Azrul Azizi bin Muhammad Said, Nur Shazina binti Ramzi, and Lokezi. In this mini project, we need to design and produce a part based on automotive industry by using CATIA V5 software.
Hi, I am Nur Shazlina bint Ramzi. I will explain about introduction and objective. Okay, for introduction, the most remarkable features in CATIA V5 that is diversity of workbench in the mechanical design section and making the design parts distinguishable. The design process occurs through the sequential stage starting from the initial design to the actual development of the product produced through the NC or CNC or DNC. Animation for simulation will be recording part by part to show some of the machining process features. The aim of this project is to design a piston connecting rod that using for the part of a piston engine which connects the piston to the crankshaft by using CATIA V5. Okay, next the objective is to design the connecting rod piston by using CATIA V5 to determine the process of machining involved in the production of the connecting rod piston and to produce the product through a CNC machine.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azrul Azizi bin Muhammad Said. I'm going to present the project planning. Firstly, project planning is the first thing that we should consider before start run our project. Next, can make our work more efficiency and conductive. Then, from project planning, we can calculate each task for all of the group members. Lastly, we create Gantt chart to aid our project planning. So next, I'm going to present the Gantt chart table. We start our project in week 3 until week 14. As you can see, the task was followed according the weekly plan. As you can see, the green box is our planning and the yellow box is the actual date of the task should be done. Next is 3D modeling. So you can see at the slide, we have isometric view, top view, right view, and front view. Okay, next, process planning. Firstly, determines the sequence of operation or processes need to produce a part and assembly. Next, one of a kind products are made or the same product is made infrequently. Next, process planning determines how the product will be serviced and provide. Lastly, the process to complete our project are design idea, entire sketches, part design workbench, preparation to camp, machining plan system, assembly machining workbench, machining sheet, video simulation, and lastly we finish the report.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadli Arifin bin Muhammad Syabli. So I will present about our machining simulation. The process of the simulation that we use are: first, facing process; second, roughing process; third, profile contouring process; fourth, isoparametric process; and lastly, sweeping process. So now, I will show the full simulation of our product. So this is our manufacturing program. There are 4 times of tool changing, which is for tool change 1 is face mill diameter 63 mm. For tool change 2 is diameter end mill diameter 16 mm. For tool change 3 is the end mill diameter 10 mm. And lastly, tool change 4 is ball mill diameter 6 mm. So, for the first process, I will show the facing process 1. So, this is the facing process 1. For second process is roughing process 1. So this is the roughing process 1. For the third process is profile contouring process for contouring process 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for the next process, which is fourth process, is roughing process 2. So this is the roughing process 2, the simulation of roughing process 2. And next process is isoparametric process for 1 and 2 process. For the next process is profile contouring process for process 6 and 7. So lastly, which is the seventh process, is sweeping process. This is for sweeping process 1, sweeping process 2, and sweeping process 3. So this is the last process of our machining. That you can see we use the ball mill diameter 6 millimeter. So this is the final product for our assignment, which is connecting rod. Okay, next I will present about our discussion. So as a result of our discussion, we discovered that this software stimulates product design and user experience by incorporating many viewpoints in product design creation and providing multiple possibilities to enhance default tool throughout the product development process. As a result, industrial and creative designer system architects and mechanical engineers will benefit the most from this program. So the issue that we encountered, first, the huge cutting tool could not cut a small portion, necessitating the replacement of the smaller cutter to allow for more complicated cutting. Next, we had to utilize our own computer to create our intricate shape of product. We ran into a few issues, one of which was that our computer would periodically slow. So lastly, we need to change the process of the machining from advanced finishing to sweeping to make sure we obtain the perfect cut. That's all from me. Thank you.
I am Lokasing. Now I would like to present about the conclusion of our group project. CATIA software is make an engineer life easier. It produces parts in a shortened time and with high precision. Program a CNC machine to produce a final product. This is because the dimension of our final product is more accurate in dimension as shown in the drawing rather than using manpower. Select the appropriate machining machine. It is used to identify the types and steps of machining process. Explore and optimize the different features and the function of the design. It is used to dealing with our equipment and its interface. Surface modeling tools are an add-on to its features.
Okay, that's all from our group presentation. Thanks for watching.